Hey, good morning. This is the 2018 Hypermotard SP. This is the new acquisition that we have one of the guys in the team. 0 miles, just came out from the dealer. We're going to install a few things, a few perks that we are ready to do. As you see, we always prefer for the exhaust, we like the scprojects. And this time we're gonna install this one. This is our first time with this kind. It's very nice, very good looking, and I like the way it sounds. So we're gonna go with this one today. So this is what we want to show you. We're gonna see more
Before and after.
the before and after, and let's see how it comes out. Okay, this is the final step. As you see, it's already installed, everything in position, and we're gonna try and see how it sounds.
El toto, loco. Eso suena trallado y trallado, loco.